The opposition politician Nelson Chamisa has staged a powerful political comeback, this time with a winning game plan. Sanapinda mashoko ataona Nelson Chamisa arunga dende ratiri kuona kuti izvezvi according to matensions ari kuitika mufaction yana Washman Ncube naNatendai Biti, Nelson Chamisa anyatsa kustrika but the right full time. Sanapinda mashoko anomudanyuka pana vanobva subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda munamanikwa muchinzi. The charismatic politician is back when his rivals Washman Ncube and Tendai Biti flounder in the wake of the internal party strife. Chamisa stepped down from the Citizen Coalition for Change leadership in January after being frustrated by faction led by Bangu, backed by Ncube and Biti. On Tuesday, Chamisa boldly declared his return, unveiling a comprehensive citizen affairs plan aimed at transforming the nation by using data and evidence to elevate the lives of individual citizens. This marks his resurgence as the people's leader, further cementing his status as the most capable presidential candidate unfairly denied the president's due to rigged elections. Though Chamisa charts a promising future, Bangu, who controversially imposed himself as CCC Secretary General, has targeted Ncube and Biti, accusing them of unlawfully holding onto power after their terms expired. The internal turmoil highlights the enduring strength of Chamisa, who remains the beacon of hope for millions of Zimbabweans, standing as the true leader the nation was deprived of. Ndombasvika rubuda panapa tiona kuti aiwa Nelson Chamisa vanhu vakaona achisiya bato muna January, but tikuona kuti vakomana vakanganisa bato rake vana Washman Ncube, vana Biti nana Chabangu. Izvi zvivava chiko, zvivava kunetsana, zvivava kutodzingana mubato reCitizen Coalition for Change faction yavo. Zvata kuona kuti faction yavo yatoparara. Nelson Chamisa angoramba anengori iye Nelson Chamisa, aiwa ndiye aramba akabata achiti ndoda kufulfilla aspirations evanhu munyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu pina comment section medu, musangano subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.